Hi everyone, all good? I'm Leo. In the previous video, I explained everything to you how to set up correctly your business manager and your ad account. And today I'm going to show you how to create your first campaign on Facebook ads. So stay with me and I'll show you everything that I know. Well, before we start to do hands-on and create our first campaign, let's do a little bit of recap from the previous video to make sure that your campaign will run without problems. In the previous video, I showed you how to set up correctly your business manager. If your business already have people hierarchy, you can give a specific permission for each person in your business manager as well, because you don't want to give access to people who shouldn't have to have access in some features. I'll leave a link below for further information if you need to set up a people hierarchy in the platform. I also explained as well how to set up correctly your ad account. Again, ad account also can have people hierarchy and users permission as well. So I'll also leave a link below so you can set up this correctly. We also set up the payment method. That is very important in the platform as well. As you know, the platform isn't for free. If you need, you can set more than one payment method in case the first method or the main method fail. You can also set the type of payment and the date as well. Of course, the date you set, the date you would like to pay, and the type of payment you have automatic payment and manual payment. Manual payment is when you have to top up in the platform some kind of credits, and when these credits finish, you have to top up the platform again. An automatic method is basically it's debited automatically from your bank account. I will also leave a link below explaining more about those two methods types. You can also set a spend limit on your ad account. In this way, when this spend limit is reached, so all your campaigns will be paused. Recap done. And if you missed anything that I say, or if you didn't understand anything that I say, I will leave the previous video explaining everything that I just said here on the card. So if something is not clear for you, so just go back there, watch the video and set up your business account and ad account. So in this way, you won't have problem when you create your first campaign and your campaign will run. So now let's go to my computer and we'll create our first campaign. Hi everyone, so now we are in my computer and we will take the steps to create the first campaign. If you don't remember how to read this page, I will leave the link below, but it's basically business.facebook.com and you will reach this same page as well. Okay, so when you reach that page, you have to select your business account. If you have more than one, so you select the correct one here, but for me I will select this one and will bring me to another page. Now you have to select the ad account, so I will select the correct ad account. And now we are on the ads manager. In this page is where you will create your campaigns, manage them up, and also analyze the performance of each ad set, campaign, and ads as well. Okay, so if you didn't reach that page here, or if you were in a different location or in a different page, so you just click here in these business tools and you click in ads manager and you will come to this same page as well. Okay, so let's create our first campaign. So first of all, we just hit the button create. So then we have the options to create a new campaign. And here you have like the options of buying type, you have auction and reach and frequency. I will explain further how they work, future videos as well. But for now, we're gonna go for auction. That's the most common. Auction, basically it is who give the highest bid wins the auction. And Facebook works like that, but it's not simple as that. So it doesn't matter how much money do you put in. This is now how Facebook declares who wins the auction or not. So I will explain, of course, this in future videos as well. Okay. So I will go for auction, and then we have the campaign objective. We have like many objectives here. We have a brand awareness, reach, conversion, traffic, stuff like this. Of course, there are some objectives that are more rare than others. Conversions are more rare than brand awareness. So it's easier to get brand awareness results than conversion. Conversion is basically when you optimize your campaign for purchase and stuff like this, or even app installs, video views, stuff like this. If you select the icon here, we can see the basic information for each objective, and you can decide for each objective you want to use. For this campaign, I will select brand awareness, and we will start to create our first campaign. So hit continue. Okay, now we are in the page of our campaign. As you can see, you can select a name. I will create campaign test. You can see here as well the campaign details. There are buy type that we selected, that is auction. Campaign objective, the brand awareness. If you would like to, you can set your budget on the campaign level, just turn it on, and then you can set your budget on the campaign level. There is a difference to have your budget on the campaign level or on the ad set level as well. I will explain these in next videos as well, because there is a difference if you set your budget on the campaign level or if you set your budget on the ad set level. Okay, I will set my budget on the ad set level for this campaign. Okay, so I'll just turn it off and I'll click next. So now we are on the ad set level. Here I just select ad set, and here as you can see you have the budget. You have two types of budgets. You have daily budget and lifetime budget. Daily budget, of course, is the amount you are willing to spend daily, or you can also set lifetime budget as well. It's the amount you're willing to spend in the lifetime campaign. So let's say if your campaign has 10 days, so you're willing to spend this amount of money in 10 days. When you set lifetime budget, it can be days that you will spend less than the others. So one day you will spend 10 euros and another day you will spend 50 euros. So keep in mind that if you have some kind of a daily limit that you can spend by day, because lifetime budgets, they don't respect this. So here you can set the schedule of your campaign. So here I will say that my campaign will start to run on the 23rd and it will finish on the 3rd. Okay, so that's the schedule of my campaign, but you can set the schedule you would like to. Okay, moving on to audience section. So here you have audience section, so you can use a custom audience. I will explain what it is, a custom audience, in the future. You can also use a saved audience. Of course, I will explain in the future what is a saved audience, how to use correctly both of them. Here you set the location you want to target, your audience you want to target. So let's say I want to target people in Ireland with that age and all genders. Okay, you have also detailed target. That's basically system tries to track some kind of behaviors users have in the platform. So let's say I want to, just to test this up, I want to target people who likes chocolate, who are interested in chocolate. Okay, so system will try to find people who are interested in chocolate. Now we have this set up here, and then we move it on to placements at the moment. So placements is basically where your campaign, where your ads will be delivered. So as you know, Facebook also owns Instagram as well. So you have the option to deliver your ads on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. Okay, so you can select all of them, or you can select some of them. You just check or uncheck whatever you don't want. Okay, I will leave automatic placement, so Facebook will find the best options for me to deliver my ads. So that's why I'm gonna leave on automatic placements for this campaign. But of course, you can select the best option for you as well. Here you have other features, and I will explain in the future as well. So let's move on to ads. So here we have ad. As you can see, we have 3 levels here. We have campaign level, ad set level, and ad level. Okay, so keep in mind the names, because this is the best way to find yourself in the platform. So we have campaign level, ad set level, and ad level. So let's go. Here on the ad level, you can set your Facebook page and your Instagram page. If you have set up your Facebook page correctly and your Instagram account as well, you'll be able to select all of them here. I only have one here and I don't have any Instagram account at the moment, right? So when you create your ad, so you have three options. You have create ad, use an existing post, you have in one of your account, Facebook account or Instagram account as well. You have the other two options as well, so you can use single image or video here. You can use a carousel as well, where you can you have images that scroll or videos as well. Here you can see how they will be in the placements you selected. You have the option to select other placements as well, and then you see how the picture will be. So we made it our first campaign, guys. Here goes. So after you create all of these, you just hit publish, and as soon as possible Facebook will start to deliver your campaign based on your campaign's schedule. Okay, I won't hit publish because I didn't set up anything in this account, so it won't let me publish. Okay, but as soon as you hit publish, it will start to deliver your campaign. Of course, after you hit publish, your campaign goes to analysis, will be under review, and as soon they leave, and Facebook will analyze your campaign and ads and ad sets and targeting and stuff like this, and if everything is correctly, it will leave the review status and will be approved after that, and we will start delivery as soon as possible. So that's it, guys. We made it our first campaign. So guys, that's all for today. We created our first campaign in this video. See, it wasn't that difficult. It's super easy, correct? But I wanted to know, how was your first campaign? Did it perform well? It was difficult. Do you have any other question about Facebook ads? I know you're just the beginning, but if you have like any other questions, just leave in the comments below that your question can become a video. I will explain for you with the knowledge that I know. If you think this content was valid for you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel as well, so you won't miss the next videos. And I will bring loads of information about Facebook ads, because I've been working with this for a very long time, and clients, they still make some basic mistakes, and I will bring the mistakes that they made, and you won't make this mistake. In this way, your campaigns will perform better and you won't throw your money in the air. So thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends who are new to Facebook ads or are having problem with Facebook ads. Okay, so that's all, guys. Ciao.